Jamaica will join the rest of the world in recognizing World Lupus Day 2025 on May 10. But we will begin the activities on May 9. Executive Director of the Lupus Foundation of Jamaica, Tishona Mullings, shared the details with our news team.
On the 9th of May is our official Put on Purple Day. So we're encouraging government agencies, schools, the private sector, everybody to wear purple and use the hashtags Make Lupus Visible and Lupus Foundation JA so we can get that activation and keep on sharing right across Jamaica. We are making resources available, PowerPoint slide decks, whatever you need, information, leaflets, so people can reach out to us.
On Saturday, May 10, the Lupus Foundation of Jamaica is hosting an island-wide awareness walk for World Lupus Day, dubbed Make Strides for Lupus. In Kingston, the walk will begin in New Kingston.
We're starting from Barbados Avenue at the KCMC car park, or parking lot. So we're starting there on Barbados Avenue, and we're going to be taking it down through Oxford Road and making our way all the way up into Halfway Tree and then straight to Winchester Business Center. So our office is at 29 Winchester Business Center. So the walk starts at 9 and will culminate at 10:30 at the Winchester Business Center.
Lupus is an autoimmune disease in which the body's immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissue in many parts of the body. Lupus may lead to blood problems, including a reduced number of healthy red blood cells, anemia, and an increased risk of bleeding or blood clotting. It can also cause inflammation of the blood vessels and lungs.